Welcome to today's tutorial. In tutorials of today, we want to look into how to stop Acrobat Reader from opening automatically. That is, how to prevent Acrobat Reader automatic opening. So to prevent Acrobat Reader automatic opening, you go to menu. When you open your Acrobat, you go on your system, you go to menu. When you go to menu, you will see preferences. You click on preference. From there, you see internet. You click on internet, and then you will look for internet setting. You click on internet setting. From there, you go to programs. When you get to program, you will see manage add-ons. You click on manage add-ons. Then you come to the toolbars and extension. You will see run without permission. When you click run without permission, you will see Adobe PDF Reader enabled. So when you click on it and you look down, you will see disable. So you click on disable. When you click disable, that means the status will change to disable. So that is how to automatically stop Acrobat Reader from opening automatic. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.